So here's how to trim long video into small videos. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Opus Clip for free, which is in the description below. So now once you click on the link, it will redirect you over here. And after that, guys, right away you will have an option here to drop a video link, or you can just simply upload a file from your PC or desktop. So now I'm gonna do upload a file over here. So click on this upload file. And now from here, you can continue with Google or Facebook. So it will be depending on you. And from here, I'm gonna go for upload. So I will be uploading from my PC. And now just simply select a video that you want to trim into a small videos. So I'm just gonna click on it and click on open. And after that, it will upload and just simply wait for it to load up, guys. And now once it is uploaded, as you can see, you can select a speech language. And from here, you will have multiple options here to choose from. So I'm gonna go for English. And now if we scroll down, we should have an option here, AI clipping. So you can have a genre, which from here you can be more specific about your video. So I'm gonna go for how to. And from here you will have an option for the clip length. So it will be depending on you as well. So I'm gonna go for auto. And now from here you can add a topic filter by keywords. So this is optional. And from here, you can select a time frame of the clips that you want. So it will be depending on you as well. And down below, you will have a quick presets over here to choose from. And you will have multiple options of shorts. And now once you have provided your preferences, you can just simply scroll to the top and click on get clips in one click over here. And after that, if we scroll down, you can just simply wait for this to load up over here. Now guys, once it is done, just simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have here multiple clips that trim the long video into small ones. And as you can see, if you want to download it, you can just simply click on download HD over here, and you should be able to download it into your computer. And if you want to edit the clip, you can just simply click on edit clip over here, and you will have a more detailed way to customize your shorts. And on the right side of the screen, you will have an option over here, guys, to change the preset of the captions, and you will have multiple options over here. And now you will have a specific options to choose from as well. So pretty much this will be depending on your preferences. And once you are done, you can just simply click on save changes. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.